Hello everyone! Today I will be talking about the website Kahoot, which can be used for creating online quizzes to test your students' knowledge on various subjects. This can be used for a wide range of different grade levels from kindergarten to college level courses or even outside of school just for fun. To start creating a quiz, scroll to the bottom of your homepage and click the Create a Kahoot option. Once you have clicked this option, it will take you to a separate page where you can choose a template for your quiz. I'm just going to select a fresh new Kahoot, which takes me to a blank template. On the left side of the page is a bar displaying the number of questions you have so far and a small screen capture of each. For this example, I will be creating a quiz for a kindergarten class on word rhyming. To begin, you can type your first question in the top bar on the slide. My first question will be, which word rhymes with ball? Once I have typed this in, underneath at the bottom of the slide are the answer options where I will put cat as answer 1, dog as answer 2, mall as answer 3, and C as answer 4. You can then choose to upload an image from your computer, which I have a saved picture of a ball, and you can change the time limit and number of points that you receive for each correct answer. To finish off, you select the correct answer for the question, which in this case is mall, and move on to the next slide. Once I click Add Question, it will give me several options for a question type, and I'm going to select True or False, which is the same layout but with only 2 answer questions of true or false. For this slide, my statement is, bat rhymes with mat. This is true, so the correct answer would be true, which I can select below, and then I can add another picture, which I have a picture of a bat, and I'm done with another slide. Once you feel that you have enough questions, you hit Done in the upper right-hand corner, and a screen will pop up to add a title and description if you'd like. I will make my title Kindergarten Rhyming Words so that it's easy to search and find later. You then hit Continue, and you'll be taken back to your home page where you can find your quiz listed under My Kahoots. Now you can select the game option of Once you hit play, you can select the game option of Teach or Assign, and then Classic, which is player versus player or team mode. I'm going to select Classic. Once this is selected, you will be taken to a new page where you'll be given the game pin that your students can input into their devices to join the game. I hope this tutorial has helped you with learning how to create and use quizzes on Kahoot for your classroom.